wonder why some websites show up on the first page of Google while others are buried deep down? The secret is search engine optimization. In this video, we're going to break down exactly what SEO is, how it works, and why it's the key to getting more traffic to your website. Hi everyone, I'm Jade from Rapyd Cloud, the high-performance hosting your WordPress site deserves. Today, we're diving into search engine optimization. SEO is all about making sure your website gets seen by the right people at the right time. Whether you're a blogger, a business owner, or a web developer, understanding SEO is essential for online success. Let's get started by looking at how SEO works. SEO is the process of optimizing your website so it ranks higher in search engine result pages like Google. Search engines use complex algorithms to decide which pages to show based on what users search for. SEO works by making your website more attractive to these algorithms through a combination of on-page elements such as keywords and off-page factors like backlinks. The ultimate goal of SEO is to drive organic traffic. Users who find your site naturally through search engines. Unlike paid ads, SEO helps you appear in front of users who are actively searching for information, products, or services related to your content. The better your SEO, the higher your site ranks, leading to more visibility and potential customers. Crawling is the first step in how search engines like Google find your website. Essentially, search engines use automated bots called crawlers or spiders to scan the internet and collect data on web pages. Crawlers follow links from one page to another, discovering new content as they go. If your website isn't crawlable, search engines won't even know it exists, which means it won't show up in search results. For SEO purposes, it's crucial to ensure that your website is easy for crawlers to navigate. This includes having a clean site structure, internal links, and no broken links. You can also submit an XML sitemap to search engines to make it easier for them to crawl your site. The more efficiently your site can be crawled, the better chance you have of getting indexed. Once a search engine has crawled your website, the next stop is indexing. This is where the data from your website is stored and organized in the search engine's vast database. If a page isn't indexed, it won't appear in search results. Indexing is like putting your site's content into a digital library that search engines can pull from whenever a relevant query comes up. To help search engines index your content properly, you need to ensure your website has clear, relevant content with meta tags and structured data. You can also use tools like Google Search Console to monitor how your site is being indexed and fix any issues that might prevent certain pages from being indexed correctly. Ranking is the final step in the SEO process, and it's what most people focus on. Once a search engine has crawled and indexed your website, it will evaluate how relevant and authoritative your content is compared to other sites. It uses hundreds of factors, including the use of keywords, site speed, mobile friendliness, and backlinks to determine where your page should appear in the result for a specific query. The higher your website ranks, the more likely users will click on it. For example, most users don't go past the first page of search results, so ranking on page 1 is the ultimate goal. To improve your ranking, focus on providing high-quality relevant content, optimizing page speed, and building reputable backlinks. There are different types of SEO, each focusing on a specific aspect of optimization. First, there's on-page SEO, which involves optimizing elements on your website like content, headings, meta descriptions, and keyword placement. On-page SEO ensures that search engines can understand the content of your pages and rank them accordingly. Next is off-page SEO, which focuses on activities outside your website that improve your ranking. This includes building backlinks from reputable websites, social media engagement, and influencer marketing. The more other sites link to yours, the more authoritative your website appears to search engines. Finally, we have technical SEO, which focuses on the backend elements of your site, such as site speed, mobile friendliness, and security. Technical SEO ensures that your website runs smoothly and is easy for search engines to crawl and index. Good SEO requires a solid foundation, and that's where Rapyd Cloud comes in. Our high-performance hosting ensures your site loads quickly, which is a key factor for both SEO and user experience. With Rapyd Cloud, you'll get optimized server environments, built-in security, and tools to ensure your website performs at its best, giving you an edge in SEO rankings. So there you have it. From crawling and indexing to ranking and the different types of SEO, we've covered all the essentials. SEO is a long-term investment in your website's visibility, and by following best practices, you can boost your traffic and grow your online presence. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on web development. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.